Hello and welcome everyone. So from today I am undertaking a big journey starting an AI engineering course. So this will consist of series of hands-on exercises plus some bits of theory wherever it is required. Now before going into the details, I am compelled to explain why I felt the need to undertake this journey and build this course. Now many people learning AI today are not from traditional AI or data science background. They're software engineers, developers, architects who are suddenly feeling the pressure to learn the AI to stay relevant in today's world. This is the exact situation I was in some time back. So these people are very much strong in their own technologies, but when it comes to AI, they don't know where to start. And that is where the confusion compounds. So should they be learning model training, transformer, PyTorch, TensorFlow, vector maths, neural networks? And the most important question is whether any of this will actually help them succeed in their current engineering role or not. They go to YouTube or online learning platform, and while there's definitely a lot of good content available there, what is missing most of the time is continuity and engineering context. Topics like agent, RAG, vector database, or frameworks are explained in isolation. There is very little focus on how these pieces fit together, why one agent framework is different from another, and how these systems are designed and operated in real application. As a result, people consume content but don't build a solid mental model. These are the exact problem I faced, so I decided to build this course so as to make the learning structured, practical, hands-on, and engineering focused. Now I have an honest admission to make. I do not have decades of experience in AI, neither do I have PhD in data science. But I have spent hundreds of hours learning core in AI engineering concepts, completing structured courses and certification, and most importantly, connecting them to real software engineering practices. This is where I believe I can help professionals like me. As for my background, I bring nearly 20 years of experience in software development and architecture. This experience shapes how I approach AI. So, in this course, we will not just talk about how the AI works. We will focus on engineering fundamentals such as security, reliability, guardrails, safety, observability, tracing, and these are the things which will help you to make production ready design choices. So, concretely, this course will be covering LLM foundations like OpenAI SDK, LLM APIs, LLM orchestration, agentic frameworks, knowledge engineering concepts like RAG and vector databases, advanced concepts like MCP and multi-tool integration, observability, and best practices related to design and architecture. Along the way, you will get hands-on exercises and practical patterns that help you understand the real AI systems that are built today. Now, I want to be transparent. I may make mistakes as I go on. If that happens, I will correct them if it is pointed out to me. My goal is not to be perfect, but providing accurate, up to date, and engineering focused guidance. So, by the end of this course, you will be able to discuss AI concept with technical depth, get an understanding about the modern AI architectures, and contribute meaningfully to the AI initiatives within your organization or as an independent consultant. So, if this sounds relevant to you, let's get started on this exciting journey. Thank you very much.